Do you not see this face? This is the face of a whore. A very pretty man whore. Who loves his job.
Hey guys, so welcome to a new video. I am in a different location and I have a person with me today. This is Erica. Hi. So we had an idea a little while ago that we wanted to try and do makeup on one of our male friends, and he has graciously agreed to let us do this.
It's like the boyfriend does your makeup challenge, but there were no boyfriends and my husband chickened out, so we found a male friend.
Anyways, so we're going to be bringing him into the chair here and doing some makeup on him, and then we're going to see which one he likes the best, and this should be an experience. As the wine just pops up.
Drink.
Yep.
Drink. All you gotta do is drink.
Let's do this.
No primer?
This is primer.
Oh, I thought you went straight. I can't see that side of his face,
Okay,
so
I'm
I
sorry.
have no idea where you started.
61.
Oh, there's an additional one. Yay.
Sorry, that's me.
Perfect.
No, it wasn't me.
Is it Greg now? Is it 62 now?
Oh, I could make it 62.
Well, yeah.
Should I?
You like the bendy one?
I do. It is nice and
The
soothing.
sample was fine.
Okay, so we're going to see if the darkest foundation I have is actually dark enough for you.
Probably
And
not.
it's not, but that's
Do
okay.
you want me to run quickly and just look?
You know what? If you have one, that might be a
I
good
might
idea.
still. I can't remember what all I've
Traitor.
gotten rid of. What?
I was just calling Greg a traitor. You're abandoning me.
It's fine.
Alright.
You'll be fine.
I was very fine. I'm allergic to makeup.
It's like, well, crap.
No.
And when I was styling it,
Especially
it just,
because like we've got the face too. We've got the facial
sure
expression
there's,
just
like-
on that pause.
Yeah, I
Yep.
can see it.
It's just like
What's that?
you take up,
I look like Hillary Clinton. And I'm okay with that.
but like even the face on the way that this is paused in
Oh,
YouTube, like you just
yeah.
take out the wrinkles and you got it.
Wait, take out the wrinkles.
Or add the wrinkles.
Sorry, add the wrinkles.
Excuse me. I feel personally offended by that.
I'm gonna drink more.
Thank you. It's a good play.
Up until
Winter color.
I moved, I might have had a darker one still, but I got rid of them because I realized I wasn't going to use them.
That's okay. Actually, I think this isn't too bad. A little bit of bronzer and
I
it should be
think the one
fine.
I've got is fairly much pretty much the same.
Okay, yeah, that's fair. And you can just use the other brush still for foundation if you want. Put it together. I don't know. I don't know what I do. I basically
Brantford.
just record things anyway.
Those are my eyeballs.
Yeah, that's
Yes, they are.
It's a good thing we're not doing any like serious eye makeup because I don't think you could handle it.
I'm not gonna handle anything.
Wow,
My lashes are too beautiful.
I didn't think your nose could become shinier, but it's actually like impressive.
Thanks, asshole.
If you give him the finger, she can just cut it out.
No, keep it in. Okay.
Gracias. That's what powder's for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What one makeup will destroy, another one can fix.
Exactly.
It's
Did
so
you bring powder?
soft.
So soft.
So
I
soft.
don't have to bring regular. I have the colored.
Oh, the
Yeah.
contour kit, yeah. I was gonna say this particular one that I use does tend to need to be set some way or another. That particular
Excuse me.
rebel. I don't think the T5i does it, but there's a set. Oh, kitty. Kitty.
Where?
Kitty.
Okay. Where?
And oh, there.
You can open your eyes. It's not going to blind you right now.
Camera pan. Cat.
Do you have a contour? Can I just use your highlight?
I was just watching. I've been watching.
Buck out.
There are two kinds of people in the
Yeah.
world.
Guess the force.
You-
Or you
I cheated. I cheated. Shut up.
Where's your lightsaber?
This is where I reach back and also the string comes.
After we were talking about this has been here for years.
Oh, it's
A
wet.
little better mark.
It's
Doesn't
my
look like it's
finger.
purple. It's a little better, that's
Rude.
Phrase it.
Oh, man.
all. Focus, Alex. Focus.
He doesn't even need to focus. He just needs to keep his face relaxed.
And not be mean like that.
He's too talkative though.
Well, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Maybe it's just the finger was cold.
Probably.
That,
Oh,
that'll do
no.
it.
I'm used to
Just
dry
let me,
brushes
like-
right now.
Let's start very.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have no body heat.
I also
so if I
like,
touch your
can't.
face, it's good.
So it's gonna be a bit of a
Bitch.
yeah.
No, it
I
was
think that
Erica.
was me.
Okay, that's why I'm
You're
just.
fine.
No, but you moved this eyebrow as well. You're fine now.
Dana likes spice.
Yeah.
You do have a crease. You're just gonna do that with your face. eyebrows.
It
It sounds like
exists.
there's
Oh,
a lid.
Is that a bad thing?
No,
No,
it's
it's
a
a
good
good
thing.
thing. Can you do it again? Yeah, just for like 10 seconds.
Just keep your face like that for a moment.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
This is hard to do and hold a palette at the same time. I'm just gonna. This is fine. You're doing really well with the eyeshadow. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
I feel like Greg would have his eyes would have watered and he would have walked away by this point.
I think
Yeah.
Greg would have been gone.
Okay, I went a little more extra than I thought I was going.
That's okay. I'm,
We're going for extra?
I went
Apparently.
a little extra.
Extra,
I
extra.
wasn't
Read
going
all
to.
about it.
Here we are.
Fine.
here, I'm just. Can you hold this? Just set
Ask
your
the
hands like
blind
this.
man to hold something. Yes.
Literally, just leave your hands like that.
Yep.
Smoking dills.
No to all the followers.
No to all
trying to think of this.
All 62 of us.
Do I want to try and explain what I'm doing for this, or is anyone gonna care?
Anybody gonna try and follow this as a real tutorial? This
I am.
down the middle. This is gonna be his everyday look, but anybody
Yes.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
Every day.
No,
Every
no
day.
one else?
everyday makeup look now.
else? I think you're safe.
Okay.
Um,
I'll link
Don't
stuff in the bottom
assume.
if we
Jeez,
need to.
man. You gotta
Yeah, links.
think of the followers.
Okay, you know what?
Links
Link in the description of what we've used if you want to try and follow this. I wouldn't recommend it.
No. We've used 2 different foundations, so that's already a start.
Gotta live life dangerously.
But you know what? I'll go for your thing. So I'm using the
Yep.
Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and there is Katsina in his crease.
That's what I'm smelling.
I forgot.
I'm going to put a little bit of Katsina mixed with Jamala. Jamala? This orange shade.
What's it called? Ooh,
God, you make me look like Trump?
Jamila?
I did not ask for this. I demand a refund.
I forgot what I
Wait until the
used.
finished product.
Okay, fine. Ah, it's cold again.
I'm
Damn
sorry,
your wet
I-
fingers.
That's why
I have no-
I clenched my fist before I did it so he wouldn't complain.
You know what? It's fine. You can do it from time. Okay, and then just a little bit of
Oh,
Woodabee,
somebody's
the
something.
gold shade there, just going on his lid.
That's fun.
Close, please. I'm just putting a little bit of Iman.
Are any of us really
in-
though?
Oh, sorry. Just putting a little bit of Iman in his inner corner and then right under his brow.
I'm not gonna list what's going on over here. I don't think anybody's gonna want to try and do this.
It's okay. I made the commitment to saying this. I'm at least gonna try.
You don't want to?
You don't want to go out in public in this?
No, it's not the this part. It's the alcohol part.
Oh, right.
Oh yeah, that.
You're like, I have a valid excuse.
Actually, to be fair, when they pull me over, they probably won't be questioning whether or not I've been drinking. So
No, they will.
They might. Okay, and just look like right here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
oh good God.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is kind of yep.
Oh, no, both at the same time. Oh.
Okay, well now it's one or the other, so we'll alternate if it's gonna make it easier. Should have done the eyes first. There's a lot of fallout in the line crime.
That's what I appreciate about this.
Not both at the same time.
Okay, go ahead, Megan.
okay.
Don't look at me.
Sorry, I saw people. I got distracted
Yeah, who do
by
you want, Megan?
outside.
Doug!
Don't.
Oh, so that's fucking okay. There's a dog. It's okay to freak out and look outside now.
Dogs are important.
There's random people walking by. Alex, why are you looking?
Fun fact, are
You
you?
know, there's a brush an inch away from your eye.
Like I fucking care.
But you said you needed to be able to see tonight.
Ish.
Actually, well,
Okay, we
Erica's
don't
doing
have to lift
that.
up anymore.
Oh, thank God.
That's the end of it for
Are we done
my side.
attacking the bottom of my eyes?
Yes, now I need to attack the top of your eye once more.
Oh, that's fine. I can close my eye for that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's fine. It's when the
Oh,
eyes
you're going
open.
real extra. Okay.
I'm not doing liner though, so
It looks good. It's just more than I was doing. Thank
shading.
you.
You're like, oh, I'm gonna add this now in the corners, and then this at the top, and then this.
Well,
Oh,
because
I've added
was
a lot of
saying
colors.
It, she just wasn't telling
I'm
you
just
what was
not
happening.
talking. Because A, I can't read these tiny, really poorly printed letters, and B, meh.
Yeah, I
good.
do. I have dark
It's not
medical.
fair.
I don't want to wear not jeans. I want to wear jeans.
Okay.
Wait, you're not gonna wear jeans?
No, he's.
No, I'm not gonna not wear jeans.
Okay.
I was
As
just-
long as like don't wear tear-offs.
Well, what I was saying.
No.
What I was saying is.
I've only
that
ever owned
the,
one pair of
tear-offs.
those.
Never.
I've only ever owned one pair of tear-offs.
I mean, unless you were like in grade 7, and then it was kind of acceptable.
Not anymore.
Never.
Have you seen 13-year-olds now?
13-year-old.
No.
They dress better than I do.
Yes, they dress better than I do. They dress better than all of us do.
All of it. Well, yeah, even now, yeah.
Anyway, dress up. Dress to impress.
Yeah.
Live by that motto, kids.
Yeah.
Dress.
Dress for the job you want, not the job you
I'm
have.
not talking to you.
Unless
I'm
it's
talking
Batman.
to the
To the
followers.
Talking to the internet. Dress to impress.
Custom
Oh,
put
no,
concealer
no.
under his eyes.
Ooh.
It'll be lower down than the stuff that like went directly under your eye.
Yeah, it's
Can you
gonna,
not
it's gonna be
flinch?
more comfortable for you.
I make no promises. I have a
Okay.
bad
At
flinching
least I don't have
gag
to get the
reflex.
brows even, thankfully.
I'm proud of you. You look like Cleopatra's like husband right now. Or
That's actually not bad. That's
I,
not a bad
I would
thing.
strike a pose, but I didn't want to have that run over my face.
well, actually, husband. No, more like lover. Not really husband.
She didn't, yeah.
She didn't have any
marry,
husbands. She only
so-
had lovers.
No, it's lovers.
I'm okay with being the young pool boy.
Young Egyptian pool boy.
I'm okay with that.
I mean, there are worse things.
There
There
are many
it
worse
is.
things.
I
Oh, no.
barricaded inside of a closet.
Wait, drink
Inside of
some
my-
more wine first.
No, don't. You need to be steady.
Oh.
Okay, look right here.
Down. Don't close your eyes.
I can
but
use
look
on my
down.
own
Look
face
at your hands.
without stabbing myself.
Look at
You'll
your
be
hands.
fine.
What the fuck is that?
It's mascara.
Why is it all spiky?
Have you never seen mascara applied?
I'm sorry, Greg. I don't do makeup.
Have you never seen
Okay.
it applied?
Well, okay.
Sorry,
no,
I'm
you
just
eyes
really
open.
quickly
Look right here.
I'm just really quickly gonna sneak in here with the.
That's okay. We got this.
Don't die.
Oh no,
You're
it's actually
fine.
you're actually doing a better
You're
job.
doing great.
I know.
You're actually doing pretty well.
Better than he could do.
Yeah, I could not keep steady like this.
That's not the only
I
thing.
just want to see your lashes with mascara.
Why? They'd be
Because
like.
I need to know.
Okay, slightly
They'd
more
be like
right
8 feet long. Is it working? Like, you think I can attempt? Yeah.
I wouldn't do lower lashes, but here you
No,
go.
God, no.
Wow.
The
No,
fuck's
you
wrong with
didn't
my
really
lower
do
lashes,
Well,
woman?
because you can't like
There's-
move at all to keep it further away from your face.
It like- It like absolutely
you're right.
added
Same-
like
same
half an inch to your
shape.
lashes.
That's why I'm just right here. This is the
Oh,
big
yeah.
white.
Yeah, same place, just different eye. It's hard to do it.
Your lashes are like
Okay,
half an
well,
inch
that's
longer now. It's actually kind of impressive.
That's how
That's
it
what
works.
mascara does.
Putting it on, oh, we're real close.
I was saying,
Putting it on the
we can
internet
actually see
now.
this.
That men should wear mascara more often. This looks
Yes.
awesome. I say wearing false
You can actually
lashes
see your
is
face now.
uncomfortable.
What are your thoughts?
Can he really? Though I
Can
think
you
it's
actually?
far away.
All I'm saying is Adam Lambert.
Well, that's what we were going for. Oh, I still need the highlight.
So you know what's kind of weird to me? Like the foundation doesn't have as much of an
Well, having such
impact
an
as I
opinion for
thought
not
it
joining.
would.
Oh yeah, no, it doesn't.
Like I thought the
When
foundation
you do actually just like
do
natural,
more.
you're fine.
Yeah. But like it didn't actually do all that much. It's interesting.
Isn't that the point?
Yes, it's supposed
It's
to not be
supposed to just
noticeable.
even out and not be noticeable. Actually, the primer's really good. The
Sounds
fact that
like my
it's
high
sitting over
school life.
facial hair is really nice.
Even out and not be noticeable. It's great.
Alright, I feel like lipstick.
It's not. It's lip balm, but
Oh, please put
Tinted lip
lipstick
balm.
on.
I didn't bring lipstick
Woo!
because I said we were going for natural. I brought enough of it.
Erica, go get
No,
lipstick.
no.
Go
You
ahead,
cut off
lipstick.
half of his
You
face too.
stop. No.
They'll come off.
Okay, so
I draw a line at places.
Do you?
okay, I'm good with this side.
Hang on,
I'm
I'm
done. So we're gonna wait for Erica to finish up.
Yeah, slowpoke. Come on, what are you
No,
doing?
it's fine.
Doing good.
I started out first.
It's because
so
I'm
she
adding
can
some
be a little
extra
behind.
steps here also. I decided
help
to
you out.
set the
You're
cream.
the final decision on this.
I set the cream highlight with powder highlight. This is a good brush.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's a very
It's
good
fine.
brush. And I'm completely leaving in frame, so I'm gonna get awkwardly close here to stay in frame.
Alright.
There we go.
Alright.
Oh, I'm right in the middle of the proper height for this. Yep, this is
So good.
So good.
So good. Choices.
Where's the Google Home? We can make the Google Home make work here.
Careless whisper.
And force you to get banned because copyrighted music.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I was gonna say we already weren't getting monetized, but let's not do that.
No.
It's not.
Or get the audio pulled from the video.
Yeah, no.
So we're done?
Okay. You done?
Yeah, we're done. I'll go
Okay.
grab a mirror, I guess.
What do you think? What do you think?
The eye portion, I like this side more. 'Cause it has more like a definitive line, where over here it's just kind of...
I'm seeing I went a little ham on the blush.
It looks
went
kinda
kind of
like
ham,
all
it was
over the
kind of
place.
dark.
Like there's no definitive, like if we're going for, especially if we're going for the Egyptian look, this side for sure.
It was kind of
This
dark
one.
on my side of the room. I thought it was blended.
That's fine.
So if we're going for blended look, it's over here.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I was
Kinda
doing for my
nicely
side.
blends out.
Yeah.
with it.
I was trying to be a little softer.
I went full Ziggy Stardust. But I didn't give you
went full-
lipstick.
You went full, what?
I didn't give you lipstick.
Oh,
tinted
I
lip
heard,
balm.
but I give you lipstick. I'm like, you lying piece of...
You think you would have felt that though?
You would think I feel a lot of things by now.
Okay, so this outro, you gotta pick who won.
Okay, so yeah, you
Oh, what am I-
looked at
what's
thing,
the-
so which one do you prefer? I don't know,
What am I
are we setting
going
any
for?
rules?
I guess
What's
there
the
really
rules?
are no.
We didn't really set any rules
Are we going
for
in
this.
historical accuracy or what?
Well, we didn't, it wasn't any like historical inspiration for it, it was literally just a, we're gonna do your makeup.
Personal preference.
Personal preference, sure, go for that.
And why?
Hey Greg, which side would you date? You know what?
Sorry.
Maybe it's a draw.
Okay, so Greg's preference is to this side of the face,
Yes.
based
But,
on the basis of non-clumpy mascara.
But did anybody really win here?
I don't know. Alex won.
Yeah.
I always win.
There we go.
There's
So when
your
it comes to
thumbnail.
love. Okay.
There's your thumbnail.
There we go, perfect. That's the
Could
thumbnail.
you see the
That's
wine?
fine. But anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed or learned something from this. Enjoyed is probably the better one. This was not informational at all.
If you learned anything,
I learned so much.
You've learned.
Keep your
you've
eyes
learned
closed.
yes, keep your eyes
Otherwise, get in the eye.
nobody wants it in the eye.
Nobody wants in the eye.
If you learned anything, maybe write about it down below because we didn't.
closed. Yeah, no, we learned nothing.
learned
so
nothing.
if you
I
learned
learned
something,
so many things.
comment below.
What did you learn today, Alex?
I don't want to talk about it.
Anyways, hope this was enjoyable, and we'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe!